This is Honors Algebra 2 Pre-Calculus, section 9.2 in Pre-Calc, which is arithmetic sequences and partial sums. We're doing example 6. An auditorium has 30 rows of seats. There are 15 seats in the first row, 16 in the second, 17 in the third, and so on. How many seats are in the auditorium? So this is actually asking us to find the nth partial sum, or the nth sum of an arithmetic sequence. So here's what's happening. Row 1 has 15 seats, right? That's my a sub 1. And row 2 has 16, and row 3 has 17, right? So this is an arithmetic sequence with an a sub 1 of 15 and a common difference of plus 1, right? Because I'm adding one seat every time I go back a row. So what they're asking me to find here, right, this question of how many seats are in the auditorium is actually asking you to find S sub 30, right? This is saying what is S sub 30, right? Well, that's going to be 30 divided by 2, because that's the number of pairs, right? And then a sub 1, which we know is a 15, right? That's my a sub 1, plus whatever a sub 30 is, right? And that's the wild card here, is I have to find the 30th row, right? Now, it might be a lot of seats. I'm just going to throw that out there. It might be a whole lot of seats. But so I'm going to find that a sub 30 first, and then I'm going to plug the value back in. So I know that a sub n should be a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Well, in this problem, a sub 30 is going to be a sub 1, which is 15, plus 30 minus 1, so 29, times the common difference of 1. So I want a 15 plus a 29, which should give me a 44. Right? So it turns out that a sub 30 is 44. So then my job is to say that the total number of seats is whatever a 15 times a 59 is, right? So I'm not expecting you to do that by hand, right? So you're going to do 15 times 59 in your calculator, and you're going to get 885 seats in that auditorium. 885 seats. So again, at no point was it mentioned that this sequence was arithmetic, but you can spot from the pattern, and that and so on covers you that it is a pattern, right? That they're saying it follows in the same pattern. So they don't mention that it's arithmetic. They don't mention that they want you to find a partial sum, but given the context of the problem, that's what they're asking for. And a huge part of math is being able to decode what we're being asked in a problem that does not explicitly request things.